Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Friday, October 11. Work is expected to begin shortly on the $21 million Portmore Sewerage project. This follows Cabinet's approval of the contract to Surrey Paving and Aggregate Company Limited. The project, expected to benefit approximately 95% of Portmore residents, will be done over 45 months. It includes the design and construction of sewerage conveyance systems.
The key works under the project include construction of facilities to transfer sewage discharged into each of the existing 5 sewage treatment plants at Independence City, Bridgeport, Hamilton Gardens, Portmore Villas, and Caymanas to Soapberry.
The contract is financed from the National Water Commission's K-Factor stream of funds. The public health sector has received a donation of intravenous kits valued at over $2 million to improve the quality of care in a number of hospitals. The items were donated by MedRx Caribbean and handed over to the Health Ministry on Wednesday at the University Hospital of the West Indies.
Assistance from benefactors such as Dr. Rockhead goes a far way in ensuring that our patients receive the kind of care they deserve with the required tools.
The intravenous giving sets are used to administer fluid through the veins. The Rural Electrification Program, REP, will soon be transitioning to the use of renewable energy to provide electricity for rural residents. State Minister of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Julian Robinson indicated this week that work was progressing on that mandate. He was speaking at the lighting ceremony for residents of Fruitful Vale in Portland, where electricity was installed at a cost of $640,000 to benefit 26 customers.
One of the charges Minister Paulwell has given the REP is to examine the use of renewable energy sources, whether it be wind, but in probably most cases it is going to be solar, to see how we can target those who it may be difficult to run wires into their homes.
There's a renewed call for the acceleration of a productivity revolution on the island. It came from Labour and Social Security Minister Derek Kelly as he launched National Productivity Awareness Week on Monday. With a labour productivity rate of 0.3% per annum, Minister Kelly said it would take Jamaica 225 years to double its output, which meant the island had to seriously increase its productivity.
We have no choice but to radically improve our productivity levels in the years to come, and beginning almost immediately. In fact, we aim to unleash a productivity virus throughout the length and breadth of the country. We want to create a productivity pandemic in all the public spaces of Jamaica.
To that end, the Labour Minister said the Jamaica Productivity Centre would be embarking on a mass public education campaign to get the productivity improvement the country needs. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites has lauded teachers for the exemplary service they are giving to their profession. He was speaking recently at the official World Teachers' Day church service held at the St. Peter and Paul Church in commemoration of World Teachers' Day on October 6.
I firmly believe that our teachers are important factors in the undertaking to educate all citizens and to raise educational standards if we are to advance our own ambitions, the aspirations of our nation, and indeed the development of humanity.
And finally, the body of the late Portmore Mayor George Lee arrives at the Norman Manley International Airport Monday ahead of his funeral next week. Mayor Lee is to be accorded an official funeral on Thursday, October 17 at the Power of Faith Ministries in the Portmore Town Centre. Following its arrival Monday morning, the public will be able to view Mr. Lee's body at the Portmore United Church Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. An evening of tributes is planned for Wednesday starting at 4 p.m. at the Heart Academy in the Sunshine City, followed by a wake. In the meantime, condolence books are now open at the municipality and the Greater Portmore Primary School. Another will be opened on Tuesday at the Portmore United Church. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.